Morning dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson of your math book, and the name of the lesson is How Big, How Heavy. Children, in this lesson you will learn about volume, and you will also learn how can we calculate volume of different solid shapes like cube and cuboid. Okay, let us know what is volume. Children, you already have learned about the capacity of an object. Okay, and this capacity is also known as volume. It means the volume of an object is the space occupied by the object. And children, the unit of volume is cubic centimeter or cubic millimeter. Okay, here you can see in this picture, this solid shape has length, breadth and height, and this shape is known as cuboid. Okay, and here you can see this solid shape, here length, breadth and height are equal, and this solid shape in which length, breadth and height are equal is known as cube, right? And to get the volume of a cube, we will multiply all three sides, as volume is three-dimensional, right? Children, here you can see this is a cube of 1 millimeter. So its volume is 1 millimeter cube, or you can say 1 cubic millimeter. This is a cube of volume 1 cubic centimeter. Similarly, children, this is a cube of volume 1 cubic meter, because you are multiplying length, breadth and height. Okay. Now children, look this figure. Here what do you see? Here you see 6 units of cube are joined together. This is a 1 unit of cube, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit and sixth unit. Unit cubes means in which length, breadth and height are equal to 1. So the volume of that particular cube will be 1 cube, 1 unit cube, right? So here 6 cubes are joined together. So the volume of this figure will be length 6, breadth 1 and height 1. So the volume of this figure is 6 cubic centimeter. Now children, in this figure, what you have done? You have added 6 units cube more. Okay. So children, here this is a length 6, because you have joined or added one more set of 6 cubes next to this cube. So then the breadth is changed. The breadth will become 2 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter height is not changed. Okay, length is not changed, but if you see the breadth is changed because 1 cubic centimeter is added to the next of this figure. So breadth is 2 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. So the volume will be 6 2s are 12, 1s are 12 cubic centimeter. Thus children, you all have learned that to get the volume we will use formula length into breadth into height. This is a formula to find out volume of a cuboid. And volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. Children, when length and breadth and volume is known and you have to find out height of a cuboid, you will use this formula volume upon length into breadth, or you can say volume divided by length into breadth. Similarly, we can find out breadth of a cuboid by using this formula volume divided by length into height. And children, we can also find out the length of a cuboid by using formula volume divided by breadth into height. And children, unit of the volume, as I told you before, cubic centimeter, it can be written like this, and cubic meter, it can be written like this. Okay. Now let us see few questions based on the volume. Children, before doing the question, you should follow few steps. First, you have to write the formula. Second step, substitute the value. Third step, calculate the answer. And fourth step, write proper answer. Okay. Now here you can see, find the volume of a cube, the length of whose edges are 8 centimeter. It means volume of a cube is side into side into side. One side is of 8 centimeter, means all sides will be of 8 centimeter. So 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. Then 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are 512 cubic centimeter. So first step, write formula. Second step, substitute the values. Third step, calculate the answer. Calculate, and fourth, write answer. Similarly, we can calculate the volume of a cuboid. Here, length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. So we have used formula length into breadth into height. Substitute the value, length is 12, breadth is 5 and height is 8. Now calculate it. 12 5s are 60, 68s are 480 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now just have a look on question number 2. Find the volume of a water to be filled in a container if the internal measurement of its edge is 3 meter. Side of the now here side of the container is 3 meter. Volume of the container, because container is cube shaped, so you will use formula side into side into side. When you will multiply this, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 9 3s are 27 cubic meter. It means in the container 27 cubic meter water can come. Okay, so children, please watch video carefully to understand the method of doing questions. Learn all the formulas and unit of volume. And please do all the questions. Thank you and have a good day.